we follow the Facebook page of the Greatest Loop, and because of that, we discovered that she was coming right into the Treasure Coast, into the Fort Pierce Inlet. Here she comes. Doesn't she look beautiful as she's cruising in?
Greatest Loop, Captain Chris.
Go ahead, Captain Chris.
Good morning. Shift and answer channel 17.
Switching to 7.
Greatest Loop, Captain Chris.
Go ahead, Captain Chris.
Welcome to Fort Pierce. ICW mile marker 965.
10-4, glad to be here.
See you at the fuel dock in a couple of minutes.
10-4.
Like many harbor hosts do, we offered a grocery run and a place where they could get fuel at a discount. So we're hanging out over at Cracker Boys across the canal, taking these photos as she comes in, so you can see how pretty she is.
Greatest Loop, this is
And when she
Harbortown.
comes into the dock, we race over in our car, we pick up one of the crew members, bring them to the local grocery store so that they can get a few things for the rest of their run. And that's one of the reasons why we like Fort Pierce so much, because there's a great inlet that if you're out in the ocean, you can come in very easily, take care of what you need to do, and go right back out without having to go too far off the beaten path. And if you're not in a fast boat, like this Swift Trawler 34, then you've got a lot of options in Fort Pierce where you can tie up to a marina or even anchor. And you can check with the Skipper Bob books and the Waterway Guide and a few other places to find out where your options are going to be the best. Now you're going to see they're done with their groceries, they're filled up with fuel, and they're going to just ease off the dock using their bow and their stern thruster. Piece of cake. You can also see with the full walk around decks how easy it is to take care of the lines, to take care of the fenders. It's a terrific layout and design for doing locks. And I'm sure anybody who was on that boat the last couple of months can attest to that. Look at how beautifully she's turning. And this is in Taylor Creek. Taylor Creek has got a pretty good current. We've just had a lot of rain over the last couple of days before this. And she's making it look easy, but Taylor Creek's given it a little bit more difficult. A little bit more difficult. Now she's headed off to Daytona Beach, I believe, where she's going to change crew. And Jeff Knoll from St. Bart's Yachts is picking her up. And she's going to head out to Charleston and north into the Chesapeake, where she'll finish her loop. We started with her in Norfolk, where we helped christen her. We're helping her along the way, and we'll meet her again somewhere. Bon voyage!